men and 10 boys complete the work. Okay, so this is a question of time and work, and it can be asked in any of the competitive exams. So just look at the words here: 3 men or 5 boys. Okay, so 3 men or 5 boys, it means both are equal, either 3 men or 5 boys. They will take how much? 20 days to complete a work, right? Now they have asked 4 men and 10 boys. 4 men and 10 boys, it means 4 men plus 10 boys. So there will be 4 men and 10 boys will be helping that 4 men. Okay, and how many days we have to find out. Okay, so here one thing you can note, that here in the given data it is 5 boys. Okay, and they have asked 10 boys. Okay, of course there are 4 men also, but here we can easily convert boys into men. Okay, so 5 boys is equal to 3 men. So 10 boys will be how much? 6 men. Okay, just we have to multiply by 2. Here also you have to multiply by 2. So 10 boys will be 6 men. Now they have asked 4 men plus 10 boys. So I will not write 10 boys, I will write 6 men. Instead of 10 boys I am writing 6 men. So total I have to find out the number of days for 10 men. Okay, 10 men. Now 3 men, the data is 3 men needs 20 days, right? So for 10 men, how many days? See, here the question is not of man or boy, it is the question of how many days. So I have just converted the number of boys to number of men. So total 10 men, because the work done by 3 men is equal to work done by 5 boys. Basically 3 men is equal to 5 boy, like this. It is efficiency. The work which can be done by 3 men will be done by 5 boys. Okay, so here 3 men can do it in 20 days, 10 men can do it in how many days? So here you can see the number of men are increasing. Number of men are increasing from 3 to 10. So number of days will get, obviously it will get reduced. So men are increasing, so they will require less number of days. So this is indirect proportion. So in indirect proportion you have to keep it as it is, 3 by 10 multiply by 20. So it is 6 days. The final answer is 6 days. Okay, never do 10 by 3 into 20. Don't do this mistake, it will be wrong. You have to keep it as it is, 3 by 10 into 20, because it is inversely proportional. Here number of men are increasing. As number of men are increasing, obviously the number of days required will be less. So from 20 days, now the 10 men will be able to complete it in 6 days. So 10 men will require only 6 days to complete. Okay, of course they have asked us 4 men and 10 boys, but I have converted it into 10 men. Okay, so this is the final answer. Now the same question I can do it in other way also. Okay, so let's see how I can do it in other method, with other method. So again I am writing here the same data. Okay, 3 men or 5 boys, so they will need 20 days. Now 4 men plus 10 boys, how many days? This we have to find out. Okay, so here basically 3 men is equal to 5 boys, 3m is equal to 5b. Can I write? So I have to take the ratio. m by b is equal to 5 by 3. Now what is this ratio 5 by 3? This is, it denotes efficiency. Efficiency means this m by b, m is one man. Here this particular ratio denotes one man will do a work of 5 units. See, the time is same. For example, 5 units per day. For in one day 5 units will be completed by one man. At the same time, this ratio, it means one boy will do the same work, not the same work, it will do less amount of work, that is 3 units. Same time, the time will be same, but the units will be less because boy's efficiency is less. Okay, so boy will complete only 3 units per day, but at the same time per day man will be able to complete 5 units. Okay, now we know the total efficiency also. Now let's find out the total work done. Total work to be done. Okay, now see, total work irrespective of man or boy, okay, it is same. Let me write, irrespective of men or boys, it will remain same. Because either you are using 3 men or you are using 5 boys and you are taking 20 days, the amount of work is same. Okay, so total work, let's take with respect to men. So one man efficiency is 5 unit. So here in question they have given 4 men. Okay, so 4 men. One man efficiency is how much? 5 units per day. 5 units per day. Okay, multiply by how many days? Sorry, here it is 3 men because the question is 4 men plus 10 boys. So here 3 men are working for 20 days. Okay, and they have one man efficiency is 5 units per day. So it will be 3 into 5 15, 15 into 2 20, that is 300 units. Okay, 300 units work has to be completed. Okay, even if I can take with respect to boy also. Okay, so number of boys are 5 boys. 5 boys are completing the work in 20 days. So 5 boys, suppose I am taking with respect to boy, so its efficiency, see, it does not matter man or boy because ultimately we are taking the efficiency. So one boy's efficiency is 3 units per day. And how much time he is working? For 20 days. Same, the answer will be 300 units only. So total work to be done is 300 units. Now the question is 4 men plus 10 boys. Now 4 men means 4 multiply by the efficiency of 1 man is 5 units per day. So 5 units per day plus this is 10 boy. So 10 boy multiply by efficiency of 1 boy is 3 unit per day. 3 unit per day. So it is 20 plus 30 is equal to 50 units per day. 50 units per day. Okay, so number of days is equal to total work to be done is 300 units, and per day how much total work is being done? It is 50 unit per day. 50 unit per day. So 0 0 cancel, 6 unit cancel, so answer will be 6 days. Again the final answer remains same, 6 days. Okay, so you can use this method also. Here you have to take total work to be done, you have to find out either with respect to man or boy, it will be same. Ultimately you have to take efficiency, and then you have to see how many men and how many boys are working, and you have to multiply with their respective efficiency, so that number of units per day you will get, and so total units divided by number of units per day, it will give you the total number of days. So in last method also you can see directly you can get answer 6 days, just because we were lucky, because here 5 boys and here 10 boys. So we can convert it easily, boys to men. Always it will not be that case. Okay, in next example I will show you that suppose the it is not in multiple, so what we have to do. Okay, but basically this is a shortcut method. Another, this method also you can follow. This method is a standard method. It can be used in any suppose even the ratio, even this 5 boys and 10 boys, it is, suppose this is 5 boys and this is 13 boys, then you can use this method. Okay, this second method you can use. Ultimately you will get the answer same. Okay, let me show you one more method for same example. I will show you one more method, and we will get the same answer, that is 6 days. Okay, so let me write the data again on the next page. So here the data is 3 men or 5 boys. So they need 20 days. Okay, either 3 men will work or 5 boys will work, but they will work for 20 days. Okay, then they have asked combination 4 men plus 10 boys. If they are working together, both are working together, 4 men as well as 10 boys, then how much days they will require. Okay, so this is the question. Now see here, individually we will bifurcate. 3 men, suppose I am considering only men, so 3 men will need how many days? 20 days. Okay, so 1 man will need how much day? 1 man, a man. Okay, it is singular, so man. 1 man will need how many days? So obviously here also it is indirect proportion. The number of men are getting reduced, so number of days will get increase. It will increase. Okay, so it is indirect proportion. 3 men will need 20 days, so obviously 1 man will need more number of days because he is alone. Okay, so 1 man will need 3 into 20 is equal to 60 days. So 1 man will need 60 days to complete that particular work. Okay, so what will be the one man's 1 day work? It will be 1 by 60. See, daily he will be completing 1 by 60. On second day he will complete 1 by 60. Like this he will go on for 60 days. Okay, and ultimately it will be 60 by 60. So it will be 1. He will complete a 1 unit of work. Okay, so 1 day work is 1 by 60, because 1 man can complete the work in 60 days. 1 man will need 60 days. So 1 man's 1 day work. 1 man 1 day work is 1 by 60. Okay, so he will go on working for 60 days. 1 by 60 plus 1 by 60 plus 1 by 60, like that 60 times. So 60 by 60 he will complete 1 unit. Okay, now same way 5 boys will need 20 days. So 1 boy will need how many days? Again here the number of boys are getting reduced. Okay, so number of days will get increase. So 1 boy will need 5 into 20, 100 days. 100 days to complete that work. Okay, because he is alone, 1 boy is alone, so he will need more number of days, that is 100. You have to take it as it is, 5 into 20. You don't have to take reciprocal because it is inversely proportional. So now 100 days. Now what will be 1 boy's 1 day work? It will be 1 by 100, because 1 by 100 plus 1 by 100 plus 1 by 100, like that 100 days he will complete. Total work is 1. Okay, so now we have got one man's 1 day work and one boy's 1 day work. Okay, we have got it. Now they have given us the question, they have given 4 men plus 10 boys. 4 men plus 10 boys. So 4 multiply by men. Now one man's 1 day work is 1 by 60. So I am multiplying 4 multiply by 1 by 60 because it is one man's 1 day work. But I don't know number of days. This 1 by 60 multiply by x, because x is number of days. I don't know. This is 4 men, and each man will have the efficiency of 1 by 60. He will complete the work for 1 day. How much work? It will be 1 by 60 multiply by x plus 10 boys. So 10 multiply by, now boy will have, complete the 1 day work in how much work? That is 1 by 100. And for how many days? See, both are working for same duration of time. Okay, so here also you have to multiply by x only. Okay, so it is equal to 1. As I told you, 1 by 60 plus 1 by 60 plus 1 by 60. So for 60 days it will be totally, ultimately 60 by 60 will come equal to 1. Same way the total work is equal to 1. So it will be x by 15 plus x by 10 is equal to 1. So the ratio, LCM 15, 10, 150. So it is 10x plus 15x is equal to 150. So 25x is equal to 150. So x is equal to 6 days. So again we are getting the answer 6 days, right? So I have shown you 3 different methods. In 3 different methods the answer is same. You can see this is the one method where you are taking the one boy's work as well as one man's work for 1 day, and then you are finding. Your x is unknown. X is the number of days. This is number of days that we have to find out, and both will work for the same number of duration. They have, in question they have written that 4 men and 10 boys are working together, and for how many days. So x in both the cases is same. Here also you will be writing x, and here also, because it is not a case that men are working for 10 days and boys are working for 2 days. It is not that case. The both are working simultaneously. So in both the cases I have written x only. Okay, same way let us solve another question so that you will get some idea. First you solve by pausing the video. Okay, suppose same question, same type. 5 men or 9 boys can complete the work in 19 days. So in how many days? In how many? I can give it as homework, but first you solve by pausing the video. Can 3 men and 6 boys complete the work? Okay, so 5 men or 9 boys, 5 men or 9 boys can complete a work in 19 days. In how many days can 3 men and 6 boys can complete the work? Okay, so let's solve it. Here 5 men is equal to 9 boys. Okay, it means efficiency. What 5 men can do, same work 9 boys can do. But they both will take 19 days. See, number of boys are more. It means it is obvious that boys' efficiency is less. That's why number of boys needed is more. Okay, so 5m is equal to 9b. So m by b ratio, which represents efficiency, is equal to 9 by 5. Okay, this is representing your efficiency. As I told you, it is efficiency. And what is efficiency? So here the suffix is 1, prefix before m, it is 1. So 1m means 1 man. 1 man will have efficiency of 9 units. He will do 9 units per day. Okay, it may be any time duration. At the same time, one boy will have less efficiency. He will be having 5 units per day efficiency. Okay, now in this type of question also, what we will be doing, see here 3 men and 6 boys they have asked, and in question the given data, it is 5 men and 9 boys. So here we cannot convert men into boy or boy into man. It is not possible. So we will go by standard method. Okay, this is our standard method. So here I am taking the ratio m by b, and I am taking the efficiency. So one man will will have efficiency of 9 units per day. He will complete 9 units in one day. At the same time, one boy will complete 5 units per day. Okay, so total work will be, suppose I am considering men. So how many men are given? It is 5 men. Efficiency is 9 units per day. And how many days they are working? For 19 days. Okay, so 19 days they are working. So 5 into 9, 9 5 are 45, 45 into 19, days cancel. It is 855 units. See, this is the total work to be done. Okay, now you may say that take with respect to boy. So boy, how many boys are there? We can take, or with respect to boy, there are 9 boys. Okay, it doesn't matter, because ultimately we are multiplying with the efficiency. If I am taking boy, then the efficiency will be less. So 9 boys multiplied by 5 units per day. The number of days are same, 19 days. So 9 5s are 45 into 19, answer will be 855 only. 855 units per day. Okay, so this is total work to be done. Total 8 per day, it's not per day, it is 855 units. Okay, so total work to be done is 855. Now in the question they have given 3 men and 6 boys. Okay, I am writing on next page, or I am writing here. Okay, 3 men plus 6 boys. 3 men plus 6 boys. So 3 men means 3 multiplied by the efficiency is, for men it is 9. So 9 unit per day plus 6 boys. Boys efficiency is 5 units per day. 5 unit per day. So 3 9s are 27, 27 plus 6 5s are 30. So 27 plus 30, it is 57 unit per day. I hope you are understanding. The handwriting are not that good, but bear with me. So 57 units are completed in one day when 3 men and 6 boys are working. So total units, so number of days is equal to 855 units divided by 57 units per day. So answer 855 divided by 57. So answer you will get 15 days. Okay, so from here you have to go to top, so you can follow these steps. See, this is standard method. The answer you will get 15 days, and Even if you can follow another method, in previous example I showed that method. Okay, no problem, I will show it. I will show it again. Okay, so let me write the data again. So this is the standard method. So the data is, they have given 5, how much, 5 men is equal to 9 boys and 19 days. So 5 men or 9 boys, so it is equal, both are equal. So let's convert. Suppose 5 men are requiring 19 days. So 1 man will require how many days? Again here the number of men are getting reduced. Okay, कम हो रहा है, 5 men to 1 man. So number of days will increase. Inversely proportional, right? Inversely proportional, you have to keep it as it is. So 1 man will require 5 into 19, 19 5s are 95 days. Why? Because he is alone, 1 man is alone, so he will take 95 days to complete. So 1 man's 1 day work, so per day work is 1 by 95. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Same way, 9 boys, so 9 boy will take 19 days, that is given. So 1 boy will take how much? Here also inversely proportional, because number of boys are reduced, so number of days will get increased. So 1 boy will take 9 into 19, 9 into 19, it is 19 9s are 171 days. 19 9s are 171, correct. Okay, so 171 days. Now 1 boy 1 day work is equal to how much? 1 by 171. Okay, because 1 by 171 plus 1 by 171, like that, 171 times, so it will be equal to 1. Okay, so total work, if I consider total work is equal to 1, so 1 day's work of 1 boy is 1 by 171. Same way, the 1 day 1 man's 1 day work is 1 by 95. This is 1 day's work. Okay, 1 by 171 and 1 by 95. Now in question they have given 3 men and 6 boys. Okay, the question is 3 men plus 6 boys. Now 3 men means 3 multiplied by men. Now men's 1 day work is how much? It is 1 day's work is 1 by 95. But how many days he is working, I don't know. That I have to find. So that is x plus 6 boys. Now boys 1 day work is 1 by 171. So that is 1 day work. Multiply by how many days? I don't know. X is equal to 1. So 3 into x, that is 3x by 95 plus 6x by 171 is equal to 1. Just solve it, so you will get some equation and put that values. So finally you will get answer 15 days only. You can check it. Okay, I am not solving this equation, but you check it, you will get 15 days only. Okay, thank you very much.